Hello guys to a new video and a new free tool. Today I will show you an amazing tool, very good tool that you can convert the text, not the text, but the speech into text, and it's forever free, guys. So you will come to darkdiary.com. I will put everything in the description box again and again, so don't worry guys. And then go to AI tools and where is it? Audio to text generator. So this is our tool, and as you can see here, this is a speech to text converter, and there are a lot of languages. As you can see here, it's just you can use any language that you want, but today we will test together some languages that I know, and yeah, just for testing. Okay, so this is the start recording button and this is the stop recording button, and let's see. So let's start testing the English. So hello, how are you? Are you good? Oh, it's working very well. Amazing. So let's stop recording and let's choose French because I know French. So start recording. Salut, ça va? Bah, je sais pas ce que je vais dire, mais voilà. So next, let's say Arabic. And I was amazed, by the way. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هل كل شيء بخير؟ إنها تعمل. Wow. So as you can see, it's very good, very speedy, quick. So this is so good. Okay, let's not. Oh, I love Hindi. I only know one song in Indian. When I was a kid, I was in love with it. What is it? तुझ मेरा भी दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ. Sorry, my voice is not good. But as you can see here, it's written in Indian, and also let's try Korean. I only know 안녕하세요, 사랑해요, and that's it. So as you can see, it's working for all languages. It's so good, super fast, and it's real-time tool. So yeah, that's it for today. Again, I will put everything in the description box, so don't write anything, but if you want to write, just write darkdiary.com and then come to AI tools and audio to text generator. By the way, they do have a lot of tools, free tools, and as you can see, you can talk and everything will be written. There is no limit, by the way. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to use this tool, and bye bye.